Hi everyone, this is Yashvi Patel and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today in this video, we will learn about Cloud SQL. So basically, we will build a Flask API and set up a Cloud SQL. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is Cloud SQL? Cloud SQL is fully managed relational database service, supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server databases, and supports regional level databases up to 30 terabytes. So you can use Cloud Spanner if you need a multi-regional support. So, and this Cloud SQL improve the performance of read-heavy databases by using read replicas. So I have created a app, my Flask app. In this folder, I have 4 files. One is app.yaml, db.py, main.py, and requirements.txt. In the requirement.txt, I have 2 requirements. I need Flask, I need Py MySQL 1.0.2. Okay, and in the main.py, here I have 2 APIs created. One is get API, which is getting all the songs. Basically, for the demo purposes, I am creating a songs database. In this, I am inserting some values in the database and getting all the songs from the database. So this get song is getting all the songs in the from the database, and the this add song is inserting particular song in the database. So what does this create and add get function do? Let's go to the db.py. db.py, here I am using the environment variables. These environment variables: Cloud SQL username, Cloud SQL password, Cloud SQL database name, Cloud SQL connection name. This I will get from this YAML file. Here I will declare all this my parameters which I will be needed in this db.py. And then this open connection is just creating a connection with your database. So I need a socket, and I need I have to connect with my database with values like user, password, Unix socket, db, and cursor class. And I will return this connection. And if I get any exception, then I will return the error. And this get function is just opening my connection, and it is just executing select star from songs. So if you are familiar with databases, MySQL or SQL or any other SQL like Oracle or a PostgreSQL, you know that if we wanted to get all the all the table values from the songs table, I have to do select star from songs, and I will return all the songs. Okay, and this create function is just executing insert query. It is insert into songs, title, artist, genre, values, and I am adding all these values which I will get from this songs argument. Okay, so in and now you can see in the main database I have get song, which is just returning my get function from the db, and this add song is just adding my song. Whatever data I will got from the request dot get json, I will pass it to the create function, and it will insert my song. Okay, so this is my code. So now the next step is we have to create a SQL instance in the GCP. Here I have created my project, and for the from the products and resources, I will search Cloud SQL. So I will get this SQL, and here from the create instance, I will create my instance. So I will use MySQL, choose MySQL. I have to enable the API. So I'm enabling my API first. To take some time. Okay, so my instance. Okay, now I can create my instance. Let name it like Let me add it a demo. I'm adding some password. Okay, so database version, I want latest version. And for the region, I will Asia South to Delhi. I don't need multiple zones. I need a single zone. Okay, let's create multiple zones for this video. And for show configuration option, here other options like what type of machine you want, what type of storage you want. I'm using default one. Storage capacity, connection, backup. You can also uh, automate your backend backups when you want to automatically backup. And for the maintenance, you can set your window like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, anytime like you prefer, or flags and labels. So I'm not gonna change any of this default configuration, so I'm creating my instance. Okay, I guess now my instance is created. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to the user section and I will add user account. Okay. I will name user Yashvi. Okay. So I'm adding a user account and I will add this credential here. Okay. And from the connection section, from the overview, here is the connection name. This connection name I will copy to here. And now I also have to create a database. Songs DB. Okay, I named it a songs DB and creating a database. So naming it here. Okay. Now the next step is we created database. Now I am going to activate my Cloud Shell. So what I am doing here, this is Cloud Shell. You can just go to here, this icon, and this Cloud Shell will open. And I'm writing one command which is gcloud SQL connect demo user Yashvi. Okay, now enter. Okay, now my MySQL. Uh, okay, now I can the command show databases. So you can see I have this databases in which my database is songs DB. I will use command use songs DB. So now I have to create a table. So I have already written the command create table songs. I need a songs ID which is int, which is not null, is auto increment, title varchar, artist varchar, genre varchar, and primary key songs ID, and enter. So my table is created. So if I do select star from songs, then it is a empty set for now. Okay, so my table and everything is set. Next step is you have to authenticate you have to configure your gcloud in your system. I have already did that, and you can also follow this guide which I have included link in the description, and do your configuration in your system. And after that, if you write gcloud init, then it should be here the project is Flask MySQL demo, which is the name of the project you are working on, and your account ID and all. Okay. And you can also change your reconfigure your project using this command, which is you can reinitialize your project default, and you can create new configuration and all. Okay, now you just have to write app deploy, and my app will be deployed. And here I want it to be Asia. So here I have to enter this choice. Where is Asia? South. I'm writing my choice as Asia South. Okay. And this creating my app engine application in this project. So let's see. Let's wait for some time. Yes. So it is uploading my files which I created, and this target URL is important for me. That's my API endpoint. Okay, now my app is ready. Now let's test it. I'm using this Postman to test my app. So first I am gonna do get. So let's see if it is giving some error or not. Okay, so no songs in Devi. So let's add some song. So I'm adding one song. So in this I have title, artist or genre in the body row, and selected JSON here, and the post, and this is my API endpoint. That endpoint we have copied from here, and the add, because I have to add my song. So this is my endpoint which I declared in my code, like so sending it. So it is giving me songs added. Let's check it if it is added really or not. So okay, now you can see the song is added in the database. That's artist Selena Gomez, genre pop, songs ID 1, title, look at her now. So we successfully created a Flask API and connected the Cloud SQL to the Flask API, and we successfully get sending this get and post requests. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, bye bye.